it over to me, Will? Can you knock it over here?
No.
Good knocking! Get back up. Good job!
Uh-oh.
Dropped your knocker. Good job!
Oh, you dropped your knocker again.
Yes, you did it again.
Go get the ball! Go get the ball! Ah. Do you need a golf ball too? Okay.
Golf ball and a balloon. Yeah.
You better get that ball. Ah, go get it. You better get it. Run. Hit it. Hit it. No. What are you doing?
He's knocking it through his legs.
Hit it. Hit it. Somebody's going to come get it from you. Go get it. Run.
It's over the couch. It's over the couch.
Go get it. Run. I think it's on the couch. You want it on the floor? Oh, don't whack him in the face. Okay. Hit it. Ah!
Right in the back of the head.
I don't think there's any tackling in balloon ball.
There you go, good girl.
Hit it, hurry! I like that. Good shot right into his head.
Okay.
I could have sworn he just said go gadget.
I know.
Oh no, carrying! Somebody's gonna get a tickle penalty. Tickle penalty!
Tickle penalty for carrying! Hey, you didn't learn your lesson. You gotta uncarry it when you get your tickle penalty. Enhanced tickle penalty.
Hey, Will, come here. Look at Mom. What are you playing? What game are you playing? What's the name of the game? What is it? What are you playing?
Baseball, baseball ball.
Baseball balloon.
Okay.